Want your garden to look high-end, creative and completely unforgettable without spending a fortune? Today I'm sharing 12 beautiful DIY garden ideas that look like designer decor, but are made with simple, affordable materials you can actually work with. Welcome to Timeless Gardening, where we turn everyday items into timeless outdoor spaces and focus on ideas you don't see everywhere. If you love creative garden projects, smart DIYs and decor that feels personal and unique, you're in the right place. Before we get started, take a second to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss new garden inspiration. And let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I love seeing how this community grows across the world. Idea number 1. Hypertufa Faux Stone Planters. Hypertufa planters are one of those projects that instantly make a garden look established and high-end. They're made from a lightweight cement mixture that mimics the look of aged stone, the kind you'd normally see in old European gardens or expensive garden centers. What makes them so appealing is that they look heavy and solid, but they're actually much lighter than concrete, which makes them easy to move around. Over time they naturally develop moss and patina, so instead of looking worn out, they just keep getting better with age. The process itself is simple and surprisingly forgiving, even if you've never worked with cement before. You mix cement, peat moss, and perlite. Add water until it reaches a thick, scoopable texture, then pack it into basic molds, like plastic bins or even cardboard boxes. Once cured, you can rough up the surface for texture or add small design details for a custom look. These planters are perfect for succulents, alpine plants and herbs, and they instantly give your garden that timeless collected over years feel. Idea number 2. Inverted bottle garden border. This idea is simple on the surface, but the final result looks surprisingly polished and intentional. An inverted bottle garden border is created by burying glass bottles neck down along the edge of a garden bed, forming a solid decorative border that instantly defines the space. Because the glass catches and reflects light, it adds subtle sparkle throughout the day, especially in the early morning and late afternoon. It's a great way to turn something that would normally be thrown away into a feature that feels artistic rather than improvised. What really makes this project shine is how durable and flexible it is. Glass bottles don't rot, fade or break down in the soil, so once they're in place, they can last for years with almost no maintenance. You can use all one color for a clean, elegant look, or mix different shades to create patterns, gradients, or even a soft wave effect by varying the height slightly. This border works beautifully along pathways, around raised beds or circling trees, and it adds structure to the garden without feeling heavy or formal. Idea number 3. Driftwood Succulent Living Sculpture. This project blends natural materials with living plants in a way that feels more like garden art than traditional planting. Driftwood pieces, with their weathered texture and organic shapes, become the perfect base for creating a vertical succulent display. Each piece of wood already has its own character, full of crevices and hollows that naturally hold planting material, which means no two sculptures will ever look the same. The result is a soft coastal-inspired feature that fits beautifully into both modern and rustic garden spaces. Beyond the visual appeal, this idea is surprisingly practical. Succulents thrive in the excellent drainage that driftwood provides, and once they root, the arrangement becomes very low maintenance. You simply nestle moistened moss into the gaps, tuck in succulent cuttings, and allow them to establish before displaying the piece upright or at an angle. Over time the plants spill and spread, making the sculpture look fuller and more natural, turning a simple piece of wood into a living focal point that evolves with the seasons. Idea number 4. Stock Tank Pond Ecosystem. A stock tank pond is one of the easiest ways to bring the calming presence of water into your garden without the cost or commitment of a traditional pond. Using a galvanized stock tank, you can create a contained water feature that feels intentional and substantial, yet remains completely flexible. Because there's no digging involved, this project works well in small yards, patios, or even rented spaces, and the tank itself instantly becomes a strong visual anchor in the garden. What makes this idea especially appealing is how quickly it comes to life. Once the tank is leveled and filled, adding a small pump, river stones, and a thoughtful mix of aquatic plants helps the system balance itself naturally. Oxygenating plants keep the water clear, floating plants provide shade, and taller marginals add height and texture. Within weeks, the pond starts attracting birds and beneficial insects, creating a peaceful living feature that feels far more complex than the simple setup behind it. Idea number 5. Terra Cotta Pot People Garden Guardians. This idea brings personality and a sense of fun into the garden while still feeling thoughtful and creative. Terra Cotta Pot People are made by stacking and arranging pots of different sizes to form whimsical characters that feel right at home among plants and flowers. Because terracotta already has a warm natural look, these figures blend into the garden easily while still standing out as playful focal points that catch the eye. What makes these garden guardians especially appealing is how customizable they are. You can paint them to match your garden's style, keep them neutral for a subtle look, or go bold with bright colors and seasonal themes. Once stacked and secured, they become sturdy enough to sit at garden entrances, near vegetable beds, or tucked into flower borders as a surprise detail. They add charm without feeling overdone, and they're the kind of project that makes your garden feel truly personal. Idea number 6. Copper Pipe Garden Obelisk or Trellis. This project is perfect if you want something that feels modern, architectural, and intentionally designed. A copper pipe obelisk or trellis adds clean lines and structure to the garden, creating vertical interest even before the plants have a chance to grow in. The warm tone of the copper stands out beautifully against greenery, and over time it naturally develops a soft green patina that makes it feel established and timeless rather than shiny or new. Beyond looks, this idea is incredibly practical and long-lasting. Copper pipes are strong enough to support vigorous climbers like beans, clematis, or honeysuckle, without bending or warping, and the structure can be customized to fit almost any space. Whether you build a tall obelisk, a simple teepee, or a square cage, the result feels intentional and high-end. As the plants weave their way up, the trellis slowly disappears into the foliage, leaving behind a garden feature that looks both elegant and effortlessly functional. Idea number 7. Concrete Hand Planters. Concrete hand planters bring an artistic sculptural element into the garden that instantly draws attention. Shaped like open palms or expressive gestures, they feel more like gallery pieces than traditional containers, which makes them perfect for adding interest to shelves, steps, or quiet corners of the garden. Their simple gray finish works beautifully with greenery, creating a clean contrast that feels modern without overpowering the surrounding plants. What makes this idea so appealing is how easy it is to personalize. Each hand can be shaped slightly differently, sanded smooth or left with raw texture, and even painted if you want a bolder look. They're ideal for small succulents, moss or air plants, and because of their size, they fit almost anywhere. These planters don't just hold plants, they tell a story, turning a simple DIY into a conversation piece that feels thoughtful and creative. Idea number 8. Living Roof Garden Shed or Doghouse. A living roof instantly transforms a small structure into a standout garden feature. Instead of a plain, forgettable roof, planting it with low-growing greenery creates a soft, layered look that blends the structure into the landscape. From above it becomes a carpet of texture and color, and from ground level, it adds depth and interest that you don't usually expect from something as simple as a shed or doghouse. What makes this idea especially rewarding is how functional it is over time. A planted roof helps regulate temperature inside the structure, absorbs rainwater, and provides valuable habitat for pollinators. Once the plants are established, maintenance is minimal, and the roof becomes more resilient with each passing season. It's a project that feels thoughtful and sustainable, adding beauty while quietly working in the background to support a healthier garden ecosystem. Idea number 9. Wine Bottle Outdoor Torches. Wine bottle torches are a brilliant way to add warmth, ambiance, and subtle lighting to any garden space while upcycling materials you might otherwise throw away. By repurposing empty glass bottles, you can create tiki-style torches that line pathways, cluster on patios, or hang from branches, instantly transforming your garden into a cozy, inviting space for evening gatherings. The glass catches the flame and reflects light beautifully, giving a soft glow that feels magical without any electricity. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, these torches are practical too. Using citronella or lamp oil, they help keep mosquitoes away while creating a safe and romantic atmosphere. Decorative stones at the bottom add stability and a personal touch, while the copper-fitted wicks make lighting easy and reliable. With a few simple steps, you can turn a pile of old bottles into an elegant feature that enhances both the look and the usability of your outdoor space. Idea number 10. Bicycle Wheel Garden Chandelier. Transforming an old bicycle wheel into a hanging garden chandelier is a clever way to create vertical interest while upcycling materials. By attaching chains to suspend the wheel and securing small pots along the spokes, you can turn a discarded wheel into a stunning functional display. Trailing plants spill over the edges, creating movement, color and texture that draws the eye upward and adds a unique focal point to patios, pergolas, or small garden corners. This idea is perfect for gardeners with limited space because it maximizes vertical planting without taking up ground area. The industrial chic aesthetic of the wheel pairs beautifully with vibrant greenery, and the hanging setup allows sunlight to reach all the plants evenly. Whether you use it for flowering annuals, trailing vines, or even small herbs, it's a creative way to combine upcycling with practical planting, turning something old into a striking living piece of garden art. Idea number 11. Bowling Ball Garden Gazing Globes. Bowling balls are an unexpected but perfect material for adding color, shape, and visual interest to your garden. Thrift stores often have them for next to nothing, and their smooth spherical form makes them ideal for creating gazing globes that feel polished and playful at the same time. By painting them with bright colors, metallic finishes, or even transforming them into mosaics with glass gems or mirror tiles, you can create truly one-of-a-kind features that stand out among your plants and flowers. These garden globes are surprisingly versatile in placement. You can nestle them in flower beds, cluster them in odd numbers for a more natural composition, or place them on pedestals and columns for added height and drama. Because they're weatherproof and durable, they hold up in sun, rain, or frost, giving you a feature that looks intentional year-round. Whether you choose bold statement-making colors, or subtle tones that blend with the garden, bowling ball gazing globes bring a sense of whimsy, dimension, and artistry that transforms ordinary beds into captivating displays. Idea number 12. Garden Hose Doormat. This is a practical and surprisingly stylish way to upcycle an old or leaky garden hose. By coiling the hose into a tight spiral and securing it with zip ties or strong wire, you can create a durable, weather-resistant doormat that handles muddy boots and wet conditions effortlessly. Unlike traditional mats, a coiled hose naturally drains water, so it's perfect for placing outside sheds, garden entrances, or back doors. The project is also highly customizable. You can use hoses of different colors to create patterns, cut hoses lengthwise for a flatter, more uniform look, or even add a rubber backing for extra stability. Beyond being functional, it becomes a subtle garden accent, showing that even practical items can contribute to your overall outdoor aesthetic. It's a clever way to reuse materials, while keeping your garden tidy and welcoming. And there you have it, 12 completely unique DIY garden projects that prove you don't need a huge budget to create a stunning outdoor space. From Hypertufa planters that look like centuries-old stone troughs, to whimsical Terra Cotta Pot People, and repurposed bowling ball gazing globes, each idea adds personality, texture, and charm in its own way. These projects are all about creativity and individuality, allowing you to shape your garden so that it truly reflects your style, while making use of materials you might already have on hand. What's great about these ideas is how versatile they are. You can mix and match projects depending on the size of your garden, your climate, or the plants you love. Vertical features like the bicycle wheel chandelier or driftwood succulent sculpture maximize space, while low-maintenance options like the stock tank pond or living roof shed add long-term beauty without demanding constant upkeep. Even practical ideas, like the garden hose doormat or inverted bottle borders, combine utility with visual interest, proving that function doesn't have to come at the expense of style. I'd love to hear which of these projects inspired you the most. Drop a comment and let me know, and don't forget to tell me where you're watching from. If you tried any of these techniques, share your results and tag me in photos of your finished projects. I feature viewer creations regularly. For full material lists and step-by-step instructions, check the description below, and explore my DIY garden playlist for even more unique ideas. Make sure to subscribe to Timeless Gardening, and hit the bell so you never miss new inspiration. Remember, the best gardens are the ones that reflect your personality, so don't be afraid to experiment, adapt, and make these ideas your own. Until next time, happy creating, and I'll see you in the garden.